10 Best Third-Party Apps for Fire TV Stick. Are you tired of limited content and slow performance on your streaming device? It can be so frustrating when you just want to watch your favorite shows. Good news, you can easily fix this at home yourself after watching this video. I will show you exactly how. Good news, you can easily fix this at home yourself after watching this video. I will show you exactly how. If you face any difficulty during the setup, please leave a comment below. I will reply to your questions within 1 hour. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Tech Vibes for more useful guides. Number 1 is Downloader. This is the most essential app for all your side-loading needs. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then select Developer Options. You must enable this to install other apps. Number 2 is Kodi. It is a legendary and powerful media center for all your digital files. You can stream your local content and use many helpful add-ons to expand your library significantly. Number 3 is Stremio. It organizes all your video content perfectly in one modern dashboard. It pulls content from many different sources into one place for a very easy and smooth viewing experience. Number 4 is SmartTube. This is a fantastic alternative for the standard YouTube app. It offers a much better interface and advanced features that are perfect for your television screen. Number 5 is Aptoide TV. This is a custom app store that gives you more freedom. You can find thousands of apps here that are simply not available in the official Amazon store. Number 6 is VLC. It is famous for playing almost any video format without issues. It is extremely reliable and works perfectly when you use external storage devices with your stick. Number 7 is Mouse Toggle. Some mobile apps need a mouse pointer to work correctly on TV. This clever app lets you use your remote like a physical mouse pointer for better navigation. Number 8 is Send Files to TV. This is the fastest way to move data. Easily move your photos and videos from your phone to your Fire Stick in just a few seconds. Number 9 is Background Apps and Process List. Use this to keep your stick fast. This tool helps you close hidden apps that are running in the background and slowing you down. Number 10 is TV Bro. This is a web browser specifically made for TV remotes. It makes browsing the web on your television very simple and much smoother than other options. Your device is now fully optimized and ready. Go enjoy your new apps. Stay tuned for more tips from Tech Vibes.